Hi everyone. So in this video solution, I'm just going to solve one question based on differential equation. This question was asked in GATE 2024 in GATE Aerospace Engineering. So those of you who have attended my live classes or you can say recorded classes, they might have done this question, but upcoming aspirant, those who are going for GATE 2025 and those who are watching my lecture at this moment also in the form of recorded session, I'm pretty sure that many of you, majority of the GATE Aerospace Engineering students are watching my lectures, right? Either on YouTube channel or in the form of recorded session, right? So, or live classes that I have given, okay? So, we will try to solve this question, and you have to see this question was cleverly designed, okay? Where you don't have to, solve this question step by step, right? So, let's move to the question directly. So, this was a question asked in, GATE 2024, and this was asked for 2 mark, okay, in aerospace engineering, right? So as everybody knows that Dheeraj sir is very popular among all gate aerospace engineering students, right, for mathematics and aptitude and for guidance, okay, for mentoring, so that they can score good marks and get into IITs. 2024 GATE was one of the witnessing year, right? So let's solve this question. You can see this question is nothing but 36, okay. Given that bi equal to, okay, so they have given some sort of bi, the function bi equal to e raised to power px sine qx, right? Okay, so this is a bi, okay, kind of function is given. It is a product of exponential and the trigonometry, right? Trigonometric function where p and q are non-zero real numbers. The value of the differential expression, you have to find the value, right? You have to find whether what will be the value of this differential function, right? So what you have to do here is, you notice here in this differential expression, they have given the second derivatives as well and the first derivative as well, and you notice here these coefficients, right? Minus 2p and p square q square, and in the options you might find that they have given 0 1 p square q square and pq, right? Okay, so which option is going to be correct? So what you can do here is, there is two methods, right? Method 2 is going to be what? First of all, you try to find dy by dx, okay. So this question was given to check your the knowledge of chain rule, whether you are good at chain rule or not, because this is a composite function, right? I mean, kind of function, okay, where you have to apply chain rule, or you can say kind of product rule, okay, product rule or kind of chain rule you have to apply, right, in order to differentiate. So first of all, you have to find dy by dx, then you have to find d2 by dx to second derivative, and then you will plug these values, okay, to this expression, right? Okay, so you will get the answer as 0 directly. You will directly get the answer as 0. So this question was very easy, where you don't have to you don't have to solve this question step by step, because many of you might get lost into mathematics. If you have attended my class, so you should be able to identify that this function is quite special, okay. By equal to e raised to power px sine qx, okay. So you can write this as e raised to power px times f of x, okay. So this is quite this question has been designed cleverly, right? So whenever the differential operators are going to operate on this function, right, and once those differential operator, whatever they are resulting, if you plug back into the expression, so answer will certainly be 0, okay. That is the trick that you have to use, okay. Understand? So what is the main key idea? The key idea is the function given is by equal to e raised to power px sine qx, okay. So whenever the differential operator is going to act on this kind of special function, okay, this is kind of special function. I think you might have seen special function, okay. This is kind of a special function, remember that, okay. Such functions are commonly used to get the solution for homogeneous linear homogeneous system of linear differential equation, right? So we have discussed about homogeneous linear differential equation. Okay, so what is the meaning of homogeneous differential equation? It means that this expression should give you the value at 0, right? Okay, so this expression, given expression, is going to cancel out all the terms. Okay, whatever the way this expression has been designed, so that if you plug back the double derivatives, right, double derivative and single derivative, dy by dx value and d2 by dx value, d2 by dx2 value, so the given structure is going to cancel all those terms and the answer is going to be 0, right? So you don't have to carry out expression step by step, but if you want, I can do, right? So let's say that your by is given as e raised to power px sine qx. So first of all, what you will do here, you will find out by dash or dy by dx. You can apply here the product rule as well as the chain rule. So I'm just going to apply first the product rule, you can say. So p raised to power px sine qx. So I'm applying product as well as the chain rule simultaneously, because the composite function is also given, plus e raised to power px, q times of sine qx. What is the differentiation of sine x? That is cos qx, right? Now you can go for double derivative. So again, you have to apply what? You have to apply the product rule as well as the chain rule. So this will give you, you can say that p square e raised to power px sine qx plus, this will give you what? This will give you, you can say that pq e raised to power px cos qx. You have to differentiate step by step, then come to this, okay, second term. So here you can say that it is going to be giving you pq e raised to power px cos qx, right? Then it will be minus, right? It will be minus, so it will be nothing but q square e raised to power px, and it is going to be sine qx. Okay, so notice that you can combine, right? You can combine this term and this term. Okay, you can combine, because e raised to power px sine qx is common here, right? And something is common also here. Okay, you can see, right? So let me write by double dash, which is nothing but p minus q, p square q square common, e raised to power px sine qx. Okay, though this question does not demand, remember that this question does not demand at all to solve question step by step. If you have attended my class, right, because this question is of for 2 marks, and if you're going to solve everything step by step, right, certainly you will make mistake. See, as the steps become longer, okay, lengthier, okay, solution become longer, chances of making mistake is huge. Okay, that is the reason many GATE aerospace engineering students gets disqualified in the GATE examination, because they don't know how to solve question in very less steps. Okay, that is what Dheeraj sir always teaches in the class. Understand? So you have to use my experience. So that is the reason I always urge everyone to reach out to me for GATE aerospace engineering. Don't go anywhere. If you're going anywhere, you're going to waste your money and everything. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so you see this is nothing but, you have combined them here. Are you able to see something? Yes. So pq e raised to power cos qx, and you can add this, right? So this is 2pq e raised to power px cosine qx, right? Now what you can do here is, this is the first equation and this is the second equation, you can say. You can plug them, right? Plug them into this expression, right? So if you're going to plug it, right, so you will get answer as 0. I need not to plug it, you can check it out, right? So this was 2-mark question, right? And you have to remember that this is kind of a special type of function, okay, that always gives you kind of homogeneous solution for the linear differential equation, okay? And they have also chosen the coefficient in such a manner. You see here, they have chosen 2p, and here p square plus q square. Also you're getting here a kind of p square q minus q square, and okay, so you will get the answer as 0. So we'll meet in the next session, in next video solution, right? Okay, of this kind, and I will tell you how to solve question by instruction. Thank you.